वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। तो आज क्लास 6 का कंप्यूटर का फर्स्ट लेसन कर्नाटक स्टेट बोर्ड सोन प्रकाशन का ये चैप्टर है फर्स्ट कंप्यूटर का हिस्ट्री एंड इवैल्यूएशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर। इसमें फर्स्ट फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स। इसमें फर्स्ट है जॉन नेपियर इन्वेंटेड नेपियर्स बोन्स। द फर्स्ट generation computer used vacuum tube. Second generation computers relied on punch cards changes input and output. Fourth generation computers used microprocessor and large scale integration. In 1981, T.B.M introduced its first computer for home users. Next question, match the following. First counting device abacus. Blaise Pascal, French tax collector's sons. Analytical engine, computing devices. Assistant of Charles Babbage, Lady Augusta Ada. Human language input, fifth generation computer. Right, true, false. Lady Augusta Ada was a politician. False. IC made computer small in size and fast in process. True. Fortran and COBOL are first generation programming language. True. Next, fourth point, second generation computer used artificial intelligence. False answer है. Sixth generation computer are portable. True answer है. Question 4. Answer the following questions. Who invented Pascaline? Blaise Pascaline invented by Pascaline. Who comes up with the idea of giving step-by-step instruction to the computer? Lady Augusta Ada. Name the first generation computing devices. ENAC, EDVAC, EDSAC, UNIVAC. ये प्रोग्रामिंग है, इसके नाम यहाँ पे लिखे हैं. फोर्थ पॉइंट, विच जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर आर यूज्ड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम? थर्ड जनरेशन कंप्यूटर यूज ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. गिव एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सिक्स जनरेशन कंप्यूटर. रोबोट, नैनो टेक्नोलॉजी. राइट शॉर्ट नोट. एनालिटिकल इंजिन. Charles Babbage invented the analytic engine, a computing device. This machine had the ability to store and read large amount of data before processing it. Add, subtract, multiply and divide numerical data. Next question, answer the following question. First point, why is Charles Babbage called the father of computer? Charles Babbage invented the analytical engine. This machine has the ability to store the data before processing. It could also automatically and add, subtract, multiply and divide numerical data, so that Charles Babbage is known as the father of computer. What do you mean by a computer generation? The generation of computer means the gap between the development of the computer in terms of the technology. Each generation of computer is characterized by a major technology developed that the fourth generation computer use microprocessor and large scale integration techniques L and I. This computer become more powerful, smaller, cheaper and reliable for the user. This question is, what is abacus? Abacus is the first counting device. It was designed to perform simple calculation like addition, subtraction, multiplication. Originally bean or stone were used on table of wood, stone or metal. Next point, what are the feature of second generation computer. In the second generation computer were used transistor and they were smaller in the size, faster in speed, less expensive and more reliable. This computer using punched card as a इनपुट एंड प्रिंट आउट एज आउटपुट। ठीक है, तो ये इसी के साथ इस वीडियो में कंप्यूटर का फर्स्ट लेसन यहीं पे खत्म होता है। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के साथ मिलते, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय।